Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at how to reset your password. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing we do is to click on the main menu and then you locate user settings. We click on user settings and then you click on account permissions and profile settings and then you click on manage access and logins. Okay, so when you do that, it brings you to the user access control and logins page. Okay, so over here you are able to see all the users in your particular account company. Okay, and then if you want to reset anybody's password, what you do is you click on the action. Okay, so locate the person, click on actions, and then you click on change password. Okay, so once you click on change password, now you can click on this show. Okay, so that when you start typing the password, let's say you want the password to be Philippines. Okay, and then once you are done, you click to save changes. Okay, so let me use so all right, so click to save changes and then it tells you the password has been updated, and then you have to kindly relog back in. Okay, so you just click to log out, and then once you click to log out, you can then enter the username with the new password that you chose. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. There are more of such amazing videos available for you, so do well to check them all out. I'll see you again in our next video. Have a wonderful time and bye bye.